Hello, hello. In this video, we're definitely going to talk about SOXL. All right, we're going to talk about that. This is the daily time frame because is it time to pick some up? And why we're going to talk about that. If you don't know what it is, I'm going to let you know what SOXL is and why you care because it's a semiconductor ETF. Look at AMD. Look with this chart. Look at NVIDIA. Look at that. So sometimes with something going up, something kind of going down, even though it did well, you want this one to even it out. Why? We're going to talk about anything that moves. Click like and subscribe. I'm Miss Moneymaker. So now, right now with SOXL, look, we're at $42.93. Okay. You see here before, once it got to this orange like gold line, we caught support. We caught some support, it bounced off. So we're here again, and this is why I'm talking about it, because you see this candle and that candle, they bounced up. We caught some support. All right. So from where we're at now, if the semiconductors are in play, right? Because some people thinking maybe they are. If they are, and we go, I'm not going to take it to the tippy top, but just like, let's say to that level, look how much. Hello. Almost 60% upside on SOXL. Yes, we're here for it. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves, right? So click like, subscribe. So now here, let's say if we just buy right here, okay? And then we just go right around here, not to Miss Piggy levels, just there, okay? Because what about if it doesn't hit the tippy top? What about if it doesn't hit this little top point? What about if we just go to this level, right? A little bit below. So that's why I'm just putting it right there. Look, this is 4. You want that to be a 3 or above. That's the risk to reward right here is 4. That's good. That's good. All right. If now you could adjust your stop, you could change it. You know, you could always change it. See how I'm putting it a little bit lower there? So, because sometimes they'll come down just to stop you out. And then they'll stop you out. Boop. And then they'll go. The stock will go up and you'll be pissed. Okay. They do that on purpose. Okay. Because they have to do that. So anyway, so that's what it would be if it goes to the tippy top. So let's talk about it. What is SOXL and why do we care? Well, once again, we care because NVIDIA is going up and you're like, should I be chasing this or should I be chasing this? AMD. Like, which way are we going? I was trading AMD this morning, right? I got into AMD, let's see, where was I? Around here. I got in day trading, okay? I got in around here, rode it to the top, okay? So I was up here and I was like, selling some. And then I'm like, okay, are we really about to roll over? And we did. And we did it. We did. So I was like, okay, well, maybe we'll bounce. Maybe we're going to bounce, catch some support and keep going. No. That's not what happened. AMD decided to keep going. Okay, but I was taking profits up here, so I was okay. I didn't go red or anything on my trade. But look, who thought, we're just going to sell off now? And then NVIDIA, though, still up. I traded NVIDIA as well. Okay, got in down here. When I was in here, I was like, okay, I'm getting chopped around because when I was in here, because like, look at these candles. It's like, I'm like, are we going to go? It's like, oh, we're almost going to go. No, red candle. We're not going anywhere. It felt like boop, 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 boop. It felt like that in this area. So I got in and I wrote it up here. And then I just came out. I said, okay, because clearly there's a seller at this level. So I came out and then maybe I traded a little bit here. I don't think so. I was just here. I took another trade on something else. So my point is though, here we go. NVIDIA it's crawling. Like this is like painfully slow. Okay. So this is crawling. And when you don't know which one or should you be in both or whatever, this is when you go to SOXL because what is the holdings in SOXL? I'm glad you asked. What are the holdings? Here we go. Okay. So now this is treasuries. We're going to skip this one, this, and this. We're going to look at the stocks. This is Broadcom. All right. We have Broadcom. Here we are with our NVIDIA. 6.3%. Here we are right below it with the AMD, 5.46%. Okay. Applied Materials, Qualcomm, okay, Lam, and these others. I don't trade these others down here, okay? But the two that are always on everybody's mind, they're in the SOXL holdings. Okay, the sector, technology. See, so and then these are securities, cash, and all this. But the big boys, the big techs are right there. So this is why this is a good play if you want to pick up something for the semis, if you feel the semis are going to go up. So I just wanted to show you that before we go. Mr. Man right here. I want to leave you with a little quote. He was saying success is more a function of consistent common sense than it is of genius. Okay, you hear this, people? Okay, it's success is more of a function of consistent common sense than it is of genius. Mr. Wayne, computer engineer, inventor. Okay, so see you next time. Anything that moves, click like, subscribe.